Class 3, now we'll learn the story of Rudolph, the lesson 2 of your MCB. So you have been given this color codes. You have to fill them in the box, here in the box. For example, you have to fill in A2. So go to A and 2 and fill it up with brown color. I have filled it with pencil color because I did not have colors with me. So you can fill up the these boxes according to the codes given. For example, you are given L11. So you go to L and go to 11 number and fill it up with the given color. I have filled them up. Red is with pink, brown is in yellow, and this J5. J5 was in I don't know in which color it was. Anyway, Q7 was in green, so I filled it up with a pen color. So you can use the colors which you have and then you can fill. It is coming out to be kind of a joker. So you can do this activity. Now we'll read the story and answer the questions that follow. Rudolph lived in Thailand in the North Pole. नॉर्थ पोल आप जानते हैं आर्कटिक जहाँ पे है, जहाँ पे हर वक्त बर्फ़ रहती है. तो रुडोल्फ जो था एक रेनडियर है जो कि टॉयलैंड में रहता था. ही वॉज यंगर एंड स्मॉलर दैन द अदर रेनडियर देयर. तो सबसे छोटा था उम्र में और सबसे कम उम्र का था दूसरे रेनडियर्स के मुकाबले. So what is a reindeer? Is a large deer that lives in cold northern regions. So here you can see different reindeers. They all had proud tall antlers. सबके बड़े 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 और बड़े अच्छे antlers क्या होते हैं? Antlers are horns shaped like branches. See, these are the antlers. They are shaped like branches. So all had very nice antlers. And they were very proud of them. But Rudolph's antlers were very tiny. And Rudolph's antlers were very small. Worst of all, Rudolph had a nose that was big and bright red. And his nose was big and its color was red, and which was bright. It was so red it glowed in the dark. It was so red that it used to shine in the darkness. Poor Rudolph, he wanted to be like the other reindeers in Thailand. And he wanted to be like others. The other reindeer made fun of Rudolph and called him names. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, they teased. So other reindeers used to tease Rudolph and say, oh, he, and call him names. चढ़ाना जिसको कहते हैं. The red-nosed reindeer. Before Christmas Eve, Santa's elves posted a sign on the gate to Thailand. Christmas Eve is one night before, the evening before Christmas. That is 25th of December. So that day, Santa's elves. Elves, what are elves? ELF. One is ELF, elf. And more than one is elves, ELVES. So these are elves. What are elves? See? Small creatures in stories with pointed ears. They are actually not real. They are only found in fairy tales. So the Santa and Santa Claus is also perhaps a fictional character made for the children of the world who are celebrating Christmas. So his elves posted a sign on the gate to Thailand. See what's written? Santa's team choosing time 8 o'clock at the meadow. So Santa was going to choose his team of reindeers and they had to collect at 8 o'clock at the meadow. Meadow means grassland. Ghas ka maidan. So all the reindeers had to collect there, he had to gather there to be selected in Santa's team. And what was it meant for? To be put up in the sleigh. All the reindeer were asked to line up at 8 o'clock in the meadow. Santa Claus was coming to choose a team that would deliver presents to every good little boy and girl in the world. And what were they were being chosen for? To distribute. Deliver means to give gifts and presents to every small little boy and girl who was good. The condition was they had to be good, and throughout the world. It's not that only in Arctic or some areas around that. In the entire world, the reindeer danced with joy when they heard the news. So they were all very happy and they were dancing. Each reindeer hoped he would be chosen to guide Santa's sleigh. So, what is a sleigh? Sleigh is a vehicle that slides over snow. जो बर्फ़ में फिसलती है, इस तरह की ये एक कैरियर होता है. ये देखिए, ये स्ली है. इसमें ये reindeers are harnessed to it along with these stripes with which the Santa guides them, and he takes them wherever he wants, and he has got lots of gifts with them to deliver to good little children. So Rudolph sighed. Rudolph ने सांस भरी. He did not want Santa to see his bright red nose. At 8 o'clock, when all the reindeer had gone to the meadow, Rudolph hid behind a holly hedge. So all the reindeers went to the meadow, the grassland, but Rudolph did not want Santa Claus to see his bright red nose. Everyone was teasing him for it, so he hid behind a holly hedge. See here, this Rudolph is hiding behind a bush of holly hedge. It's kind of a bush, jhari. I'll send you the actual photograph of this holly hedge. So as you can see, it has got some red kind of fruits in it. So this Rudolph thought that his nose will mingle with all these red bright fruits and no one will be able to see him or his nose. Behind a thick bush with bright red berries, no one could find Rudolph with his bright red nose. In the meadow, all the reindeer in Thailand except Rudolph stood in line while Santa inspected them. Santa inspected them means उनका मुआयना कर रहे थे. He was studying them. Santa chose carefully. Only the fastest, the strongest, and the best reindeer would do. सबसे तेज, सबसे ताकतवर, सबसे बढ़िया reindeer ही इसको चाहिए था. Dasher is the biggest reindeer, said Santa. Who was the biggest? Dasher. Dasher wrote his elf assistant in a big book. So his name was written of Dasher. He was the biggest. And Dancer is the strongest, said Santa, pulling his beard. Dancer, wrote the elf. Who was the strongest? Dancer. He wasn't the best dancer. He was the strongest. So he was also chosen. And the elf wrote his name in his book. Ho ho, let's see, continued Santa. Prancer and Vixen make the smoothest landings on rooftops. Now Santa has to deliver gifts secretly. Openly he doesn't go and give gifts to the children. He goes at night secretly, and through the chimneys he'll drop gifts and presents. So he has to go on the rooftops along with his sleigh of reindeers. So he says that Prancer and Vixen, they make a very nice landing on rooftops. बड़ा आराम से उतरते हैं छतों पे. Comet is the fastest and Cupid is the most sure-footed. Comet, who was the fastest? Comet. And who was very sure-footed, जो पैर जमा के रखता था बहुत सावधानी से, that was Cupid. Pick them. उनको चुनो. And said Santa, I choose Donder and Blitzen. They are best at turning over treetops and landing smoothly. And he also said that he is going to choose Donder and Blitzen. And what was their speciality? They used to turn over treetops. पेड़ों के ऊपर भी जाना है तो वहाँ से भी मुड़ना भी है. So they were very good at it. And they used to land smoothly everywhere. When all the selections were done, the reindeer danced and clinked their antlers together in happiness. So when all the selections जब चुनाव कर लिए गए तो reindeers were very happy and they were clinked. Clinked means made a sharp ringing sound by hitting against each other. तो वो अपने एंकलर्स जो थे, एंटलर्स उनके जो सींग होते हैं ना, 12 सिंगे के सींग होते हैं, उनको वो एक दूसरे से टकरा कर they were making noises because they were very happy. Even the reindeer who weren't chosen but given good jobs, जिनको नहीं सिलेक्ट किया गया था उनको भी अच्छा काम दिया गया. One was to try out toy electric trains. One had to carry electric train, and another was to hug Christmas kittens. And another was जो Christmas kittens थे, बिल्लियों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनको हग करना, उनको गले लगाना उनका काम दिया गया. The only reindeer without a job was Rudolph. He wanted to help, but he knew others would laugh at him, so he stayed behind the holly hedge. किसी काम नहीं मिला, only Rudolph. At last it was Christmas Eve. Santa's elves were busy packing the sleigh. So now Santa's elves picked up all the gifts and presents and put them on the sleigh of Santa Claus. I don't care if they make fun of me, said Rudolph suddenly. I want to help too. He dashed from his hiding place and went to find Santa. The night was bitter cold and a terrible fog covered the earth. You know, during Christmas Eve it's very cold and it's very foggy also at times. So what did Rudolph decided suddenly? Achanak? He says, I don't care if all these people make fun of me. I will also help. So he came out from his hiding place behind the holly hedge, and went to find Santa. It was very cold and foggy that night. Nothing was visible. Visibility was not clear. So people were finding, and the reindeers as well Santa Claus and his elves were finding it difficult to see anything. So what happened? Santa's elves kept bumping into each other as they hitched up the team. So they were bumping. एक दूसरे के साथ टकरा रहे थे. As they hitched the team means here they put belts and reins on all the reindeers and tied them in front of the sledge. तो उनको बेल्ट्स लगानी है यहाँ पे, और रीन्स होती हैं ये जो लंबी लंबी ये मज़बूत डोरियाँ टाइप की होती हैं. तो ये उनको बांध के उनको स्लेज पे उनको लगाने को, यहाँ पे उनको हार्नेस करना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हिच्ड अप. Who was doing this job? The elves. But they were bumping into each other. They could hardly see as they put on each bright harness and tied each jingle bell. So they could not see that when they were harnessing the reindeers and tying up jingle bell, jingle bells. And where is my Christmas list? I can't see a thing in this fog, cried Santa. उनके पास जो लिस्ट थी क्रिसमस की, किसे क्या देना है, वो भी नहीं दिख रही थी. So, and what is harness? A set of strips of leather and metal pieces that is put around an animal's head and body so that it can lead a carriage. उसमें स्ट्रिप्स होती हैं, कुछ पट्टियाँ होती हैं जो लेदर और मेटल की बनी हुई होती हैं, सिर पे और बॉडी पे बांधी जाती हैं जिससे वो कैरेज को खींच सके. और उन्हें कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था. And then a soft red glow lit up the snow. Thank goodness, said Santa, suddenly jolly again. I found my list. Ho ho. तो एक बड़ा धीमी सी लाल रंग की एक चमक जो थी वो बर्फ़ में चमकी. तो Santa could see now. So he was happy again, and he says that I found my list. So that means he could see in that soft glow. What was that glow? The glow was coming from the bright red nose of Rudolph. Who brought this fine lantern? Asked Santa. I must take it with me. He says, this is some kind of a lantern. Lalchen hai. And I must take it with me to see in the fog. It's not a lantern, said Rudolph shyly. The light came from my nose. It's not a lantern. It is coming from my nose. Light is. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, said Santa. I'm glad to see you. Your light will guide my sleigh tonight. I appoint you head of my team. He said that the light coming from your nose is going to show the way to my sleigh, and you will be the head of my team. Rudolph had his head high. Proudly he walked to the front of the team. All the other reindeer bowed. Donner and Dancer helped Rudolph put on his harness. Then, down through the clouds and over the sleeping houses, Santa and his team flew on the foggy Christmas Eve, and leading the whole procession was Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Procession means the huge group of these all these creatures and animals and Santa Claus, etc. So who was leading them? The red-nosed reindeer, that was Rudolph. He was very proud, and others helped him to harness, and that's how he became very helpful to Santa Claus. So they live in the somewhere in the sky. So they came down. You must have heard that poem. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on a sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. So this very lovely little story is written by Robert L. May. So you will have to do the question answers and exercises. Please read them and go through them. And you have to match the following, like Dasher. Dasher was the biggest, Dancer was strongest, Comet was the fastest, Cupid was the most sure-footed, Dodder was the smoothest in landing, and Rudolph was the shyest. So all this will be sent to you, the question answers, and this vocabulary. You have to fill up the words, and photographs will be sent to you. Now we will talk about grammar. What are articles? The a, an, and the, they are called articles, which you use before nouns. So a means one, an also means one, and before the vowels a, e, I, o, u, you use an, and before the consonants c, o, n, s, o, n, a, n, t, s, consonants, you use a. So where do you use a or an? When you talk about something for the first time, right? And you can find the use of a. And where is the used? When the speaker and the listener know what or who is being talked about. हमें पता है किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, तो उसमें हम the यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये आप इसको याद रखिए, प्रैक्टिस से आपको आएगा. ये आपको एक्सरसाइज करनी है, एन और द भरना है. अब देखिए अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर क्या होता है. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल आप जानते हैं ना, ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड. तो अब आप ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, आपको पहला लेटर देखना है कि पहले कौन सा आता है. सबसे पहले बी आएगा. इन सारे वर्ड्स में जो लेटर है बी, वो सबसे पहले आता है अल्फ़ाबेट्स में. उसके बाद आ रहा है डी, उसके बाद एच, उसके बाद जे, उसके बाद टी और लास्ट में वी. तो आप उसी जो सीक्वेंस है उसमें आप यहाँ उनको लिख देंगे. डिक्शनरी में भी जब आप ढूंढेंगे ना इन वर्ड्स को, तो आपको इसी सीक्वेंस में मिलेंगे अगर आप उनका मीनिंग देखना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन बताया गया है. आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, मान लीजिए किसी चीज़ को, तो यू कैन ऐड योर ओन डिटेल्स. लाइक अ प्रेटी बटरफ्लाई इज़ हु. अ प्रेटी बटरफ्लाई did what? Was flying around. You make a sentence. A pretty butterfly was flying around. And then one Sunday morning you can write before also or after also. And where? In my garden. Why? Because it was spring. So आप sentence, you can extend your sentence, you can add more things. So I have done this for you. Please do it in your book, or you can write it in your copy also. No, I wish I could do this. I wish I could do that. This is making a wish. So here you have to match your wishes with the conditions which are given. So this also will be sent. Listening is not yet done, so you can leave this for the time being. We will do it later on. Now we come to the letter A. The letter A is awesome. बड़ा शानदार letter A है. It simply is the best. सबसे बढ़िया. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. If there was no A, you wouldn't be able to get A plus. You'd never, or a grade A, you'd never see an acrobat. What is an acrobat? Acrobat is a person who performs difficult acts in a circus. So this is an acrobat hanging with his head down over a kind of a swing. So all the gymnastics and etc. and the acrobats in circus, they show such tricks. So see, a acrobat starts with an A. So you never see an acrobat. Or eat an apple pie. What is a pie? A pie is a baked dish made with apples and flour. Flour means ये मैदा और उसमें जो है स्वीट ये शुगर मिला दिया और एप्पल्स का जो है वो पल्प मिला दिया और you can see how this apple pie is made. So apple pie also starts with A. You couldn't be an astronaut. What is an astronaut? A person who travels to space. Or kiss your aunt goodbye. Right? So you can't say aunt. Also, there would be no aunt starting with A. An antelope would not exist. What is an antelope? It's a kind of a deer. Hiran hota hai antelope. It also starts with A. An ape would be unknown. What is an ape? An ape is a kind of a primate, gorilla, etc. So A, that also starts with A. You'd never hear a person say afraid or all alone. They also start with A, these words. The A is in avocado. What is an avocado? Avocado is also kind of a fruit. It is not found in our country, but in foreign countries they eat a lot of avocados. It's a very nice fruit. Would completely disappear, and certain words would be forgot, like ankle, arm, and ear. So ये सारे words also they would be forgotten. Ankle. What is an ankle? The lower part of the lower and the inner part of your legs. Arm and ear, you know. Without the A, you couldn't aim an arrow in the air. A means nishana, arrow, tir. They also start with A. You wouldn't ask for apricots. Apricots, आड़ू जिनको बोलते हैं. It's also kind of fruit. Or almonds at a fair. Fair means mela. Almonds means badam. So they also, almonds start with A. You wouldn't get almonds. Aruba and Australia, they are countries, right? Would be missing from the map, and they won't be in the map. You'd never use an ATM. ATM, you know, the machine which gives us money by putting an ATM card in it. An apron or an app. Apron, you know, just put on during work. Or app is which you find in your mobile phones. The Arctic fox and aardvark. Arctic fox, the foxes who live in the Arctic region, and aardvark is also a kind of a mammal that lives in a burrow. I'll send you their photographs. Would be absent from the zoo. They won't be found in the zoo. And vowels, as you know them, would be E, I, O, and U. So that means vowels also would be remaining would be A, I, E, O, and U. Not A, because A is missing. So do you think that these things would be missing if the letter A was not there? It's not like that. Some child is actually talking about it, and he thinks that if A was not there, all these things also wouldn't exist. Actually, Shakespeare, the famous author, said, "What's there in a name? A rose would smell as beautiful as even if it wasn't called a rose." I am not exact in the words, but what he meant was this: ki you can name anything with any name, it would remain the same. It hardly matters. But here, a child is talking about all these things, so he thinks that if A was not there, these things also wouldn't be there. There wouldn't be an A chord. A chord is a kind of a musical note. So A chord wouldn't be there on the instruments you play, जो आप ये string guitar वगैरह play करते हैं. Let's appreciate, admire, and applaud the letter A. He says, let's praise it, admire it, and applaud it means to show praise by clapping. Clap for it. It's by Darren Sardelli. Right? So we'll give you the answers to these questions. Please do them. I already discussed the poem with you.